Hi guys, thanks for clicking on this video and welcome to episode 14 of my Arduino tutorial. In today's video, we'll be learning about the different types of RGB LEDs and what an RGB LED even is. So if that's what you're looking for, you're in the right place. Don't forget to check out my website. I'll leave a link in the description. I'll leave notes there for you to just understand things better. Without much further ado, let's get straight into the video. Now, what does the word RGB stand for? RGB stands for red, green, and blue. And we have the LED, which stands for the light emitting diode. So we have RGB LED standing for red, green, blue, light emitting diode. There are two main types. The first type we'll be talking about is the common cathode RGB LED. This is what it looks like. With the common cathode RGB LED, all the pins share a common ground. The longer leg of the LED is the ground pin. To the left of it, we have the red pin. To the right, we have the green. And next to the green, we have the blue pin. To use it, you simply connect the longer leg to the ground and then the other three shorter legs to a digital pin. The second kind is the common anode RGB LED. This is the common anode RGB LED. I know it looks exactly like the common cathode RGB LED. I honestly don't even know the difference. They honestly look the same. But the common anode RGB LED has a common positive leg. It has no ground. The longer leg of the common anode RGB LED is the positive pin, which you connect to your 5 volts on the Arduino. To the left of that, we have the red pin. To the right, we have the green pin. And next to the green, we have the blue pin. So basically, you're not connecting this one to ground, but it still works somehow. I honestly don't know how it's working without being connected to the ground. If you have any information you'd like to share with everyone, please get down in the comments and let us all know. I'd really appreciate it because, I might be honest with you, I don't get how it's working without the ground. Like, honestly, how is the circuit complete? Alright, I might just throw this in as a bonus. This is an RGB LED I got a really long time ago in this Arduino kit I bought sometime last year. And it comes on a PCB board. Yeah, I think that's what it's called. Yeah, it comes with it and it's really easy to use. RGB and then minus. The RGB, let me wait for it to focus. Alright, the R, how am I? Okay, R, you see the pin, it's over, that's the red. G is for green and blue is for blue. And the last pin is, you see the minus, and that's where you connect to ground. So yeah, this is way easier to use. I actually got it on from this Arduino kit I bought a while ago. So I haven't really seen a lot of it. So I don't know whether it's common or it's one of the rare ones. But I just thought I'd put that in the video too. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. If you've not checked out my website, you can. I leave notes on there for you guys. So if you want to, you can just check it out anytime. I'll see you guys in the next one.